In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Maharaga in Jujutsu Shenanigans on mobile, console, and PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform into him, and I'm gonna go over all of its moves. So, you will be able to do this on PC, console, or mobile. I am recording this video on my PC, but of course, if you are doing this process on mobile, you just have to follow along using the same skills and abilities, and you will be able to transform yourself into Maharaga and use all of the new abilities. So to do this, you will have to be playing as 10 shadows. So go into characters and choose 10 shadows. Now, the next thing that you have to do is activate your insanity here. Now, I am doing this on a private server where I have set up no cooldowns and infinite awakening, but of course, if you are doing this on an actual public server, then you will have to attack other players until you reach the awakening bar. Once you are ready to awaken, just go ahead and press the specified button to awaken. You will see this animation, and now you will notice that from all the abilities here, the fourth one is going to be Maharaga. So you have Max Elephant, Great Serpent, Shadow Swarm, and finally the one that we're looking for, Maharaga. So go ahead and press this ability when you are in close proximity of a player, and immediately you will see this huge animation play out. So the screen is going to go dark, and you will be consumed. Now, once this animation is done, you will be able to access Maharaga skill set. So as you can see, you have 4 moves: Divine Pummel, Ground Pitch, Earthquake that you have to hold, and take down. So I'm going to display each of these abilities here. I also have set up no cooldowns, so this is why I'll be able to spam all of them. And the Earthquake move has a very specific timing in which you need to use it. You need to press a button and hold and then let go at a very specific moment. As you can see, I can't get it reliably, but if you do, this is how it looks. So you will be able to go into a private server to learn the timing. This is what I recommend that you do before you actually play. And all the other abilities can be used as usual. Just go in close proximity of a player and press the specified button. So this is all you have to do to play as Maharaga on PC, mobile, and console. I hope I was able to help you on how to be Maharaga in Jujutsu Shenanigans console, PC, and mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.